Hi everyone, my name is Ferdaus and this is 5 reasons why you must learn Penpot in 2025. Penpot is web-based design software that designed and focused for user interface and experience creation. It has a lot of capability to support the UI UX designer and I think it will be the biggest Figma killer in the future. Let's go direct to the reason. Reason number 1 is completely free forever. The developer was promoted from beginning. The biggest difference between Penpot and another software like Figma and Adobe XD or Sketch is the fact that Penpot is open source software that's supported by community. So it has a reason to make Penpot is completely free forever. And you know what? Until today, Figma, step by step, one by one, trying to switch their free feature to be paid feature. And we know it also happened on Adobe HD in the past, which is right now, Adobe HD is completely paid software. Reason number 2, Penpot has big community support and event, which is until today, Penpot has arrived in version 2.3 and it means the software always maintained and updated by the developer when we always get new feature, which is really good. Reason number 3, Penpot is more focused to UI UX capability than general graphic design feature. It has feature like flex layout, grid layout, component system, design token, developer mode, and prototyping, which is the dev focus to fulfill what a UI UX designer needed. Reason number 4 is community support. Penpot user always rising and more designer has joined to support Penpot. And there is always new community feature like a UI kit, template, icon set, and plugin, which is supported by community. Reason number 5. The workflow of Penpot is easy to understand, especially if you switch from Figma or Adobe HD. So you are not taking really long time to switch from Figma to Penpot. For example, the flex layout concept is not really different from auto layout concept in Figma, and prototyping workflow is also almost same with the other. Okay, let's go to the conclusion. Penpot is really potential design software in the future. We remember when Figma user beat Adobe HD in the past. So there is also change for Penpot to win the battle of design software. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and if you want to support me, you can read the descriptions. Thanks again.